Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Jet Flux Pressure Washer. The Jet Flux Pressure Washer is designed to turn a regular garden hose into a more powerful cleaning tool. It comes with features like a 2-in-1 high-pressure wand, multiple nozzles, and a quick connector, making it suitable for light cleaning tasks such as washing car, patches, or pets. However, it relies entirely on the water pressure from your garden hose, which means it does not produce true high-pressure water like electric or gas-powered pressure washers. Because of this, it may struggle with low dirt or cream on surfaces like driveways or patches. The pressure washer is made with material like aluminum alloy and chopper to resist rust, and it has a non-slip handle for better grip. While it looks durable, some users have raised concerns about its sturdiness and effectiveness, especially since it depends on the water pressure you already have. Customer reviews are mixed. Many users report that it does not work as described, struggles to clean efficiently, and some hose can detach during use. Overall, the Jet Flux Pressure Washer might work for light cleaning tasks, but is not suitable for heavy-duty use. If you need strong and reliable clean power, investing in a proper electric or gas-powered pressure washer is a better choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.